Good afternoon. How are you doing today? Okay, in our today's class, we need to take a question from combination, question in Godman. And the question goes like this. A school committee of 4 people is to be formed from 5 teachers, 2 students, and the principal. In how many ways can the committee be formed? If A, it must include the principal. B, the principal is not to be included. C, exactly 2 teachers must be included. D, not more than 3 teachers are to be included. Okay? Let's look at the solution together. So, a committee of 4 people is to be formed from 5 teachers, 2 students, and the principal. So in how many ways can this be formed? If A, it must include the principal. B, the principal must not be included. It's not to be included. C, exactly 2 teachers must be included. D, not more than 3 teachers. Not more than 3 teachers are to be included. Okay, in looking at the solution, here comes the solution to the question. If the principal must be included, then the committee is formed by selecting, out of 5 teachers, you select 3, and out of 2 students, you select no one, while the principal must be included. Or, out of 5 teachers, you select 2, and out of 2 students, you select 1, including the principal. Or, out of 5 teachers, you select 1, then out of 2 students, you select the 2, and the principal is selected as well. So in that case, you have 5 factorial over 3 factorial and 2 factorial times 2 factorial over 0 factorial and 2 factorial, plus 5 factorial over 2 factorial, 3 factorial times 2 factorial over 1 factorial, 1 factorial, or 5 factorial over 4 factorial times 2 factorial over 0 factorial, 2 factorial. So we have 120 over 12 times 1 plus 120 over 12 times 2 plus 120 over 24 times 1. That gives us 10 plus 20 plus 5, which is 35. 35, the committee can be formed in 35 ways. Okay? The B part of because the principal is not to be included. So if the principal is not to be included, that means out of the 5 teachers, we can select 4 teachers without the students. There's 2 combinations 0. Or out of the 5 teachers, we can select 3 teachers, and out of the 2 students, we select 1. Or out of the 5 teachers, we select 2, and out of the 2 students, we select 2. So in that case, we have 5 factorial over 4 factorial, 1 factorial times 2 factorial over 2 factorial, plus 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial over times 2 factorial over 1 factorial, plus 5 factorial over 2 factorial, 3 factorial times 1. So in that case, we have 5 plus 20 plus 10, which is 35. Okay? If exactly 2 teachers must be included, exactly 2 teachers must be included. So out of the 5 teachers, we select 2, and we select the principal, and out of the 2 students, we select 1. Or, out of the 5 teachers, we select 2, we exclude the principal, and out of the 2 students, we select 2. Or, so that ends it because exactly 2 teachers must be included. So there we have 20 plus 10. That gives us 30. Okay. If not more than 3 teachers must be included. If not more than 3 teachers must be, that means out of the 5 teachers, we select 3. And out of the principal, we select the principal. And out of the 2 students, we select none. Or out of the 5 teachers, we select 3. And we exclude the principal. But out of the 2 students, we select 1. Because it's not more than 3 teachers, but it may be less. Therefore, out of the 5 teachers, we select 2 and select the principal, and out of the 2 students, we select 1. Or, out of the 5 teachers, we select 2 and leave the principal, and out of the 2 students, we select 2. Or, out of the 5 teachers, we select 1 and select the principal and select the 2 students. So in that case, we have 10 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5. That is 65. Thank you very much for being part of our class today. Please do well to ask us more questions. Please also do well to share our videos when you come across them, either on YouTube or Facebook or LinkedIn or WhatsApp. Please do well to share our video so that it can go viral. If you do have any question, please drop your question on the comment section. If you wish to hear from us, you can reach us through this phone number 080-387-46884. God bless you.